Have you ever struggled to create marketing content that actually works? Hours spent brainstorming, designing, and writing, only to end up frustrated and stuck. What if there was a tool that could do all of that for you, automatically? Imagine an AI that understands your brand, generates eye-catching ads, social media posts, and even email campaigns, all tailored to your style and audience. Sounds like a dream, right? That's exactly what Holo AI promises. But here's the big question. Can it really deliver professional quality content that saves you time and helps your brand grow? Today, we're diving deep into Holo AI to test its features, results, and see if it's truly worth it. Holo AI is an AI-powered marketing content generator. You give it your website or brand details, and it learns your brand voice style and audience. Then it creates ads, social media posts, emails, and even short-form video concepts, automatically. The link to the website is in the description below. Just click it and create your free account using Google or any email address. Once you're logged in, you'll land on Holo AI's main dashboard, where you can explore the platform and start creating ads. On the left side, you'll see the Workspace navigation panel. This includes sections like Home and Chat, along with assets such as Library, Brand DNA, and Info. This is where everything starts. You can connect your accounts, set your posting schedule, and explore your first ideas. Next is the Idea Swipe, where you can create branded content for every platform. Under Create New, you can generate new concepts, clone existing ones, create variations, or animate your content. The Image section lets you create high-performing ads on demand, while the Video section helps you produce highly engaging video ads and stories. You also have Email, which allows you to generate emails that work faster, and Integrations, where you can connect platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Brand DNA lets Holo understand your brand, connect to its generators, and even send emails, all from one place. This replaces Canva plus copywriting plus UGC creators. This is what usually takes days with freelancers. First, you need to set up your brand. Just click here and select Add New Brand. It will ask for your website URL. I'm entering the URL of a skincare website, then clicking Continue. Next, choose your language. There are multiple languages available, but I'll go with English. After that, enter your brand name and what you're selling, then click Continue. Now Holo AI starts analyzing your brand using the website URL you provided. This usually takes a few minutes. Once the analysis is complete, click Continue again. Here, you'll be asked to choose your brand colors, style instructions, and visual direction. All of this information is automatically pulled from your website. You'll also see your products listed here. You can edit them or add new products by uploading an image, title, and description. Click Continue, then press and hold the button to complete the setup process. Now, let's create something. I'll click on Create New and choose Clone to match an existing design style. Next, select any template and click Clone Selected. Here, it asks for instructions or an idea. I'll type in Add Christmas Vibes and click Create. Holo AI starts generating the image, and after a few minutes, it's ready. As you can see, the image now has clear Christmas vibes. You can upscale it, resize it, or make changes using the chat. For example, I asked it to add 20% off for Christmas. It then asks whether the offer should apply to all products or a specific one. I chose all products, and it immediately regenerated the image. And just like that, you get a new Christmas ad with a 20% off offer. No long prompts, no complicated setup. As you can see, all the products now display the 20% off Christmas offer, created in just a few clicks. Now, let's create a video ad. Just click on Video. From here, you'll see multiple features like image to video, AI UGC, video clones, scripts, and video B-roll. I'm going to choose AI UGC, which lets you create a realistic AI person that speaks your script. First, you describe the person. I entered a woman with curly brown hair, wearing a black sweater, a warm smile, and natural lighting. Next, you add your script. You can also upload a reference image if you want, but that's optional. Now choose the aspect ratio. I'll go with 9:16 and then select the video duration. I'll choose 12 seconds. Click Generate Video, and Holo AI starts creating your AI-generated UGC video. This takes a little time, and after a few minutes, it's ready. Let's play it.
Vince Vitamin C Serum is formulated to brighten the skin and help reduce dark spots, pigmentation, and freckles. This is thanks to vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps even out skin tone and enhance radiance.
Oh my god, this looks absolutely stunning. You literally just describe what you want, and it creates a video that looks like it was made by a real person in a real photo shoot. It's seriously impressive. Now let's try image to video. Here, you can upload an image or select one from the library. I'll choose this one and click Continue. Next, add your instructions. I'll include Christmas vibes, then click Continue. After a few minutes, the video is ready. Let's play it. This looks amazing. Full Christmas vibes and super engaging. Now let's create an image ad. Click on Image and you'll see options like Content, Vibe, Concept, Clone, Template, Variation, Photoshoot, and Translate. I'll choose Content, Vibe. First, select a product, or let it choose one randomly. I'll select this product. Next, choose the size. I'll go with 9:16, then choose how many images you want. I'll select 5. You can also add additional details if you want, but that's optional. Click Generate and Holo AI starts creating the images. After a few minutes, the results are ready. Just look at these. They're absolutely stunning. You can select any image, edit it, upscale it, or download it instantly. Finally, let's try the animate image feature, which turns images into engaging videos. First, choose an image. I'll select this one and click Continue. Add your instructions. I'll write Christmas ad and click Continue. After a few minutes, the video is ready. And as you can see, the results are seriously amazing. So that's it. This is how easy it is to create high-quality images, videos, and ads using Holo AI. What normally takes hours or even days can now be done in just minutes. From brand setup to AI-generated videos and stunning visuals, everything happens fast and stays on brand. What usually takes hours, a big team, or expensive tools can now be done from one dashboard. If you're a creator, marketer, or business owner and want to save time, scale your content, and create professional-looking ads without hiring a team, Holo AI is definitely worth checking out. I've left the link in the description. Go ahead and create your free account and test it for yourself. Use the discount code AI Geeked75. This gives 75% off. Let me know in the comments what feature impressed you the most, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.